Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're starting standing up. Tuck your chin in towards your chest as you slowly roll down into a forward fold. Open your legs a little bit wider as you grab for opposite elbows, coming into your ragdoll pose. Relaxing your upper body, maybe swaying gently from side to side. Release your hands down to your mat as you bend your right knee, keeping your left leg straight. And you have the option to reach your left arm up towards the ceiling. Lower your left hand, straighten your right leg as you bend your left knee with the option to reach your right arm up. Lower your right hand down as you bend both knees. And now you straighten your legs. Let's do that again. So we bend our knees, keeping your heels down. Straighten the legs. We bend and straighten. Close your legs together as you grab behind your legs. Maybe you grab behind the ankles, pulling yourself closer to your legs. Plant your palms in front of you as you step your feet back for downward facing dog. And just begin to bend and straighten one leg and the other, keeping your hips high in the air. Straighten your legs as you lift your right leg high for three-legged dog. And now bend your right knee, opening that right hip as you take some circles with the right foot. Straighten your leg for your three-legged dog. And step your right foot forward for low lunge. Reach your arms up high for high crescent lunge, keeping that back heel lifted. Warrior 2, spin your back heel down, opening your arms into a T position. Straighten your front leg. Reach forward for triangle pose. Lower your right hand down to the mat, reaching your left arm up. Lower your left hand down for pyramid pose. So you just want to turn your hips so that they're facing the front now. Bend your front knee for low lunge. Lower down onto that back knee as you relax the back foot, straightening your front leg for half splits. Flex that front foot. Rebend your front leg. Walk your foot out towards the right, bringing your right palm on the inside of that right ankle. So both palms are on the inside. And you have the option to lower down onto your forearms for a deeper stretch. Let's come back up onto our hands as you curl the back toes under, straightening the back leg, and step back into your downward facing dog. As you lift your left leg for three-legged dog and you bend that leg, take some circles with the foot and the ankle. Straighten your leg, three-legged dog, as you step that left foot forward for your low lunge and you reach your arms up for high crescent lunge. Warrior 2, spin your back heel down, arms are in a T position. As you straighten your front leg, you reach forward and lower that left hand for triangle pose, reaching up. Lower your right hand down as you square your hips to the front, pyramid pose. Low lunge, bend your front knee. Lower down onto your back knee as you relax your back foot. Walk your left foot out towards the left side, bringing both palms on the inside of the leg as you lower down onto the forearms. I did forget half splits on this side, so make sure you do your half splits when this class is over, just to balance it out. Let's come back up onto our palms. Curl the back toes under, straighten the back leg, and step back into a high plank. Lower down onto your knees and down onto your belly. Let's come into a baby cobra, peeling the chest up 2-3 inches off the mat and lower down. Clasp your hands behind you for locust pose as you lift the chest and the legs. Squeezing the shoulder blades together, pointing the toes. Lift up a little bit higher. And lower down. One more back bend. Let's go into our bow pose. Bend both of your knees. Grab your ankles or the tops of your feet as you kick into your hands, lifting the legs, lifting the chest. Lift up a little bit higher, keep kicking into your hands and lower down. Let's come into a child's pose, sending your hips back onto your heels. Shift forward into a tabletop. And let's step our right foot forward. We are going into our half pigeon. So just start to walk your right foot towards the left side of the mat as you lower down onto that right thigh. And then you can stay up or you can lower down for a sleeping pigeon. Make sure your hips are in the center so you're not leaning over towards the right. Slowly make your way back up onto the palms. And then we just hike ourselves up, and you can straighten that right leg behind you just to stretch it out a little bit. And then we're going to do that same thing on the left. So step the left foot forward, walk that foot towards the right, lower down into that half pigeon. Let's come back up onto the palms. And then let's straighten that left leg behind us. Have a seat. Swing your legs around in front of you. Let's keep our legs straight out in front of us as we reach our arms all the way up. And forward fold, reach for the feet. Slowly rise back up. Now let's bend our left leg kind of like a half butterfly, and you can step that right foot in front of that left knee or on the outside of the left thigh. And you are going to hook your left arm over that right knee. And you can grab onto your left ankle, you can grab onto your foot, your toe. And we come out of our twist, but we are going to bring our legs into a half lotus pose. So you're just trying to get your right foot on top of that left thigh. And eventually one day, both of your knees will be down on the mat. I know you've probably seen like the yogi poses where both of their legs are down. So that's what we are working towards. All right, and we're out of that. Now let's do that twist on the other side. So remember, you can step your left foot in front of that right knee or on the outside of the right thigh as you hook the right arm over that left leg. And let's face forward as we come into that half lotus pose, bringing that left foot to the right hip crease, trying to get those knees down. And now let's just come into a regular cross-legged position. As you reach your arms all the way up, taking a big inhale. Exhale, hands come to heart center. And we take one more big inhale. And let it out. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.